All right, folks, welcome back. Welcome back. So today we'll be taking in the car to get the lights turned off. Hopefully today. So I'm gonna show you this fuse that I took out that pretty much controls the light, pretty much the air suspension fuse. But I'm gonna show you what that fuse is like. I'm gonna put it back, install it back into my car before I take it up there. That way I can diagnose it and get the lights removed. Hopefully. All right, so this is the fuse right here. You can see it's only a 20 amp fuse. So I'm gonna put this back in the car. Let me show you how the codes I was getting. So I got like all these C codes, and basically all these C codes is about voltage to basically my air suspension. So you can see here pretty much what it is. So they basically gotta go in and find out why my air suspension not getting the voltage. And once they figure it out, then the lights will go away. So that's all the problem is. So hopefully it's be an easy fix, hopefully. But, so let me see. I can see it's really dark. Let me get some light up in here. All right, got the light turned on, so y'all can see it. So, let me get down here for y'all. So this is where I can see. All right, so this is my fuse box. So you see the 30A amp, that's big. Right above that, you got a 10A. You see a 20A air sus. So that's where the fuse goes. So I'm gonna put it back in there, and then I'm gonna take it up to the shop to get it looked at. All right, so as you can see, all the lights are back on. So hopefully we get all this stuff removed today. So we'll see. So I'm on my way to the shop now, and drop my car off, and I'll report back to you guys soon. Ooh, the wheels up in here. I'm gonna check out this L. Man, it's Acura. Going on. Big copyright. Still working on it. Honda, y'all, hatchback. Yes, sir, import. All right, so I'm about to go ahead and place these hood struts on both sides right here in my car real quick. And then, so let me tell y'all what happened. So I went and, I went to the place, picked up my car, found a couple things. So this is what we're looking at right now. So we got a brake actuator. How much it costs to get that? Then I got a radiator leak I ain't know nothing about. It's $195. Then I think the labor, it's like 2 hours worth of labor, which is about $100. And then we got the front control arms one, which I already knew about that, which I'm not worried about. The most important thing I'm worried about is the radiator leak. So I'm gonna be getting that fixed very, very soon, probably like next week or this weekend. I'll stay tuned on that. But that's what I got from the place today about getting that light fixed. So the light is still on because he said it's my brake actuator that caused the light for that to happen. So I'm getting that. Like I said, I'm getting the radiator fixed first. Then within the next 2 weeks or whatever, I get the brake actuator fixed or whatever. So, but right now I got the strong arm hood support struts. Probably really good. Highly recommend it. So I'm finna knock this out and see how well these hood struts really are. All right, so I got the new hood struts on both sides. You can see they're the right way system with the pump up right here, then the stick going down right here. So all I had to do was get the old ones off. I used a flathead screwdriver and popped it off right there and popped the top off right there. And same thing on the other side as well. I just use a stick to hold it up from right here to here, from here to right here. Just a little circle piece right there. So I had to go from here up to here just to keep it from falling on top of me while I'm switching them out. So, but these are the strong arm struts for the hood. Let me show you how powerful these things is. These are Pretty amazing. So, yeah. Shit to throw itself up. So, that's all there's to it, man. It's pretty simple to do. So, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And I'll answer anything you need to know about these struts and where to get it from.